In this video, I'll show you how to contact Wise customer support from the app. First, open the Wise app and log in. On the home screen, tap your profile icon or name in the top corner. In the menu, look for Help, Support, or Get Help and tap it. This will open Wise's Help section. Here you'll see common topics and FAQs. If you already have a problem with a specific transfer, card, or balance, scroll down to Recent Activity or Your Transfers and tap the one you're having trouble with. Then look for an option like Get Help with this transfer or Contact Support. If you don't see your issue there, use the search bar to type your problem, then tap Contact Us/Still Need Help at the bottom of the article. Depending on your country and time, you'll usually get options like in-app chat or email support. Type a short, clear message explaining your issue, send it, and keep the app installed so you don't miss their reply. Wise will answer inside the app or by email. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.